Hello Q Services, www.pressurewasherbits.co.uk. Qwashers on eBay. What we've got here is a 13 horsepower Honda 200 bar at 13 litres per minute. Genuine Honda, which you can see. If you had trouble with the vision, you can actually feel the Honda stamp on the side of the engine. Interpump, Ws202 pump with reduction gearbox. Machine set up for float and return. Now what we simply do is we feed this machine to both sides of the pump. 2 water feeds, which you can see. That gives it enough water feed to be able to feed it the 21 litres it requires. Filters on both sides for protection, and also this, like I said before, it's set up for float and return. So you've got your quick release coupling on here, which returns back to the water tank, and obviously your high pressure quick release coupling coming out of the pressure washer. A K5.1 unloader that's been in the marketplace for years. Very well shocked all the way around, very strong, big wheels. Shocking again at this end here. Comes complete with hose, gun and lance. 10 metre standard hose on this. There's your feed hose. And like I say, the Ws202 pump, also been in the marketplace for a long time. All the parts available in our shop. Any problems, normally we can keep them going over the phone. Any problems, we can talk you through it. And that's Qwashers on eBay, www.pressurewasherbits.co.uk. Thank you much.